Hello, my dear children. Today we will learn animals around us. We have learned different kinds of animals, domestic animals and wild animals. Yes, these are the animals that we are going to learn about today. So let's start with domestic animals. Yes, these are the domestic animals. You know very well a few domestic animals around you. Tell me which are the ones that live around you? Yes, you're right. Dog. Dog makes sound like bow bow. Cat, meow meow. And cow, moo moo. Yes, I know you know many of them, but now let's read the names of the domestic animals. Let's start. Children, read with me. Okay? Cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, camel, yak, dog, cat, horse, donkey, pig, rabbit. Yes, these are the names of the domestic animals. Children, let's now hear to the sound of the domestic animals.
Chicken, sheep, cow, horse, pig, goose, donkey, duck, goat, turkey,
Yes, Now we saw about domestic animals. Now we will learn wild animals. Children, you know a few wild animals in your previous class. So now we will read the names of the wild animals. Let's start. Children, read along with me. Okay? Kangaroo, monkey, snake, zebra, panda, hippo, bull, elephant, lion, antelope, gorilla, giraffe, tiger, eagle, ostrich, vulture. Yes, children, we have read wild animals. So these are the animals living in the jungle, or we can see them even in a zoo. They cannot live with us. Okay? Children, let's guess the name of the animals. Who is this? Lion! Look at him roaring. He is a lion, king of the jungle. And here, a big animal. Who is this now? An elephant. Elephant. Say it again. Elephant. Now, he is the tallest animal. Who is he? Giraffe. Giraffe. Say again. Giraffe. Who is the next one now? Ah, the naughty one. Monkey. He is a monkey. Jumping all over. Now, who is this? Ah, very scary. Crocodile. He's a crocodile. Next, who is that? Who is this? Do we know him? Gorilla. He is a gorilla. Say again, gorilla. Who's this now? Zebra? Yes, you are right. He's a zebra. Zebra. Now, who is this? He's roaring. Tiger. He's a tiger. Now, next, who is this? I don't know. Yeah, rhinoceros. Children, you were right. You are right. Rhinoceros. Now, who's this? I know. He's a bear. Am I right? Yes, he's a bear. Bear. Say it again. Bear. Now, who is this? You know him. No, wolf. He is a wolf. You're right, children. He's a wolf. Now let's say the names of all the animals. Lion, elephant, giraffe, monkey, crocodile, gorilla, zebra, tiger, rhinoceros, bear, wolf. And now we are at the end. Yes, we learned wild animals successfully. Children, this is the activity given in your textbook. You have to identify the animal which is around your house and put a tick mark in that box. Will you do this? Now you know the animals which can stay around your house and which will stay in the jungle. So do the activity in your house. Next, these are the pictures of few animals, domestic and wild animals. So see the picture and write the name against the animal. We will learn about other animals in the textbook given tomorrow. Bye bye. See you.